Hey guys, it's me, Manuel Hernandez, and today we're going to play a great game called Guess the Skull. Can anybody in the crowd please tell me what skull this is from? If you said bear, you're wrong. Dead wrong. Believe it or not, this is actually from a wild pig, aka known as the Javelina. This is the same skull that belongs to the one on the mount. An interesting fact about the Javelina's teeth, that these front canines right here always sharpen every time it's open and closed. And if we were still able to take out the teeth, we could see how truly long they are. The length, it reaches all the way back here into the skull. Let's see if you can get a closer look at the teeth. You can see how flat it is right there because of the sharpening. Pretty interesting teeth if you think about it. You know, I wish my teeth could sharpen too. Then maybe I wouldn't need braces.
Alright guys, so I was finally able to get my hands on a bear skull to compare it. So this is going to be a black bear skull. So it's not a grizzly skull, so it's not as big because the grizzly bear went extinct in Mexico a long time ago. But here you go. Here you can see these teeth right here. They're going to be like shorter compared to the Javelina's front teeth, those incisors. And then here you can take a closer look at them sharpening each time they open and close. Another interesting fact about the Javelina is that they're going to have like these upper holes right here on the forehead. This is one of the key ways I distinguish them between other animals, but is almost similar to the shape of a horse's skull. And then as you can see over here, the bear skull, this part right here is a lot wider because all the jaw muscles go right here, meaning that these have like a very strong bite force, which is not a surprise because they're bears. And then as you can see right here, bigger skull right here for like the brain. And then compared to that, to the smaller area right here of the Javelina. And then both of these are native animals to New Mexico. And then they both serve really important roles for maintaining the ecosystem here in New Mexico. One of them, for example, the Javelina, it consumes prickly pears and mesquite. So it's controlling that native plant population. And then predators like the bear would control other animals' populations like Javelina's population. So they're not like overproducing and then consuming too much, and then the whole thing would go down, right? It's all about balance. That's what it is, really. And then I'll teach you more about the circle of life in the next video. All right? Stay tuned.